Hello, this is Ali. I'm gonna show you how to make nuts and dates bars. Add a teaspoon olive oil into the pan. Add 120 gram cashew nuts, 100 gram chopped walnuts, 100 gram chopped pistachios, and 100 gram sunflower seeds. Let them fry till color becomes brown. Now you see the nuts color are changing to the brown. Take it off from the heat. Now I am gonna fry 70 grams sesame seeds and flaked almonds about 3 minutes. Here I have 150 gram dates without pit. Put them in the mixer and add 1 tablespoon rose water. Pour the dates into the pan and add some olive oil and let them fry little bit. Now the dates is ready to add the nuts. Let them slowly fry and mix them together in the pan. Add half of sesame seeds and flaked almonds. Add some cinnamon. Apply a little bit oil to the tray. Then put the mix in the tray. Try to make the mix even. Add the sesame seeds and flaked almonds over the mix. Add some cinnamon and try to press it very well. Leave it to cool down about 2 hours. Cut it in any way you like. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.